From the whole crop top thing, brother, I see the man completely different. You can't go back. Come in and see no man supposed to fucking come and wind up and down in a crop top unless you suggest something else.
If you have an axe Kartel if you do something, come serious.
Good day, Vybz Kartel. I know you separated yourself from Jamaica and in the US because of stuff that you don't want to indulge in anymore. You don't want no badness surrounding name and certain stuff.
Now when Jelani blood clot send me now, me send back Jabas. And me say me never know say you wicked youth.
See you whining on my face. You can't sit on my face. You can't sit on my face. You can't touch me on my body much less you grown with dildo and vibrator.
D, why you always a pick some little dog shit, man? Me pretty sure say you must see characteristics in these, man. If you pick up two man and the two man are dog shit.
You know law of attraction, correct?
You're right, you know, bro.
You know law of attraction.
Yeah.
So if you are mongrel dog, you think you're gonna attract poodle?
Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face. Just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave.
Welcome viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. Welcome back to Rap and Chat with who, you know. Checks done. How that over there, so?
Nice, you know?
Naz himself, people.
Yeah, man.
So I go on, man.
Ready with you?
There.
Everything blessed?
Everything nice.
Yeah, man.
We need to talk about social media some more and the people them who surround social media in a few little area. What do you think?
Well, that's true still, you know.
Yeah, we need to do more videos for the people, the Pretty Dan and the Facebook hero and the Swiss Lee. Class.
Swiss Lee, youth.
Dog, Swiss.
Jano youth.
Me nah go lie. He's a young youth and him rise fast. One heap of youth me see out of Jamaica where they dep on social media and they no rise like how him rise, you see me?
True.
But at the same time, we have to look upon, you have influence. You're an influencer. So if you're an influencer, certain things you're not supposed to do, bro. You can't come and muggle in a tights and you can't come and muggle in a crop top and them thing there. What do you see a video? I know you see a video also.
With Swiss Lee.
Yeah, when him ask Kartel to put on fundraiser or something like that.
Zin. So what you think about that?
If you have an ask Kartel to do something, come serious. Come as a man to man. Come and say, yo, you know, Kartel, you know, say last year me do this, or year before last me do this.
You know what you say a while ago?
What?
Come as a man to man. I don't feel like...
All right. Approach the situation.
Right.
The situation as a man then.
Yeah, but coming out this you know, dog. But you see the demeanor and when put out on social media, dog. Remember, you're an influencer, you get recognized. You see me? So you have to be careful how people view you after that.
And how you come across.
All right. I mean,
Yes.
I tell you now, say from the whole crop top thing, brother, I see the man completely different. You can't go back. Come in and see no man supposed to fucking come and wind up and down in a crop top unless you suggest something else.
And yo, them a beat him bad on social media.
Dog, you man forget beating you, fuck dog.
Them a beat him
at
bad
Jamaica
on
you come
social
from, you know, dog,
media,
and you
see
come
me?
and foreign and I say, man a beat that a foreign. So yo, we don't know what we are talking about. Brother, you know, do them shit there at Jamaica. Which part of Jamaica you
belly
go?
blows. A belly blows, man.
Brother, fuck that, man.
Man crop top catch them he don't you so.
Brother, me nah wear no crop top.
Listen, a man crop top catch them weird on you so you not see them belly.
And a crop top.
No,
a t-shirt.
A short shirt. Me hear them a beat.
No crop top.
Me hear them a beat. Me hear them a beat.
Short shirt, none of that.
But the video where I ask Kartel for help for keep it cheap. As me I say, you know, if you did a go to Kartel and I say, yo, help out the youths them, you can't go like a gimmicks thing. Make it be like a business proposal or something. You know?
Yeah.
You come, you chat fuckery. You're not even construct your sentence them properly and sitting. You do it like a comic thing.
But then again, dog, Swiss Lee personality can't be serious. You can't take him on serious.
No.
Because unlike Swiss Lee is a serious man. He's a man where have them type of what may I say, comical things about them.
Something like that. You want help with something or you want say, yo, make we put on one treat or whatever. Even if you're a comical person, you have to have some business like about you, where you go about doing certain things.
That's what I cut you. Or him could have reached out to Kartel.
You make a regular video and tag Kartel in it.
Oh, so you know
we make simple video and Kartel see. Swissly 10 times bigger than me and you. And then in a same sentence, I say, yo, a man left Jamaica because I say like a man in a some fuckery and he want to surround himself with fucking no more. Them the thing they are not even if he say them the thing there. If you are link him man pan a thing, you link him man and say, yo, daddy, you know, say, would I love to keep a treat and whatever. If you can put cross sitting or whatever. You get me, I say?
I will lie, no, dog. My pitney now goes to sleep fundraiser still. Fuck that. Yeah. My son now gone to Swiss sleep fundraiser, dog.
Yeah.
You see me? So, brother, me feel like if you go put on the fundraiser there for yourself, and yeah, your cronies them go. And that me I tell you. Nah, you don't set no example, bro. Them they think the brother me lose half of you, I'm in a business of fuck. Me lose half of man, dog, you know, come and then you go try back it up. Your fundraiser thing is a good idea, but me feel like you should have make somebody else come to the forefront and beg Kartel the money. You see me? Dog, you know ready feet it, dog. Big man thing. I don't think you
yeah, man. That pan Swissly. Other news. I don't know if you hear about use when name Jabas.
Jabas. We see him on social media.
And the cat when name D. I think she name D official. I'm not even sure if I D official, but she name D.
Yeah.
One nice brownie. You see me? If a cat is send you nudes, Zin, whether one view or send your nudes, you and the cat in a deal. You ever try blackmail the cat by, you're not sending out her picture and them thing the dog.
First and foremost, when I say one view, you mean the disappearing message.
Disappearing message.
Alright, so come in know still no dog, but that's how I make you know that. So the disappearing message.
Yeah.
Dog, I feel like a mama man can think that dog. If a woman send you
waste man.
Yeah, if a woman send you a picture dog and or a video.
Yeah.
In this case, bro. Dog, what the fuck you want to send it out go blackmail the girl for because things don't work out? Them think they're mama, man.
Yo, ladies, no for uno woman, no coming like uno have no sense. If you meet a man and you hear all the craziness we surround a man there, you are going to put yourself in a position there. That's why I always wonder, you know. A woman will see a man treating baby mother like shit and she still go take up a blood clot man and breed for him, man, you know.
So if she can't change the man?
She can't change the man. If the man a dog shit, him a dog shit, bro.
So you feel like she can't try?
No, bro. Me feel like, ladies, when you don't see signs, say one man a dog shit, you know if you walk far, and so me see. Right, watch this. If your sister meet a man and that the man the name surround, beating woman, raping, all of them things there. And your sister have kids, daughters. What gonna be your advice to your sister?
Stay the fuck away from that man.
So now that me I show you, bro.
Yeah, that's true still. I may agree. Honestly, I agree with you there. Because if once you see a man track record, or even woman in the same sense,
anybody.
Right? So once you see them track record, because nowadays, you know, that, remember, you know, people left them mark on social media.
Right, they saw that.
And some of the time, the easiest way that to know a person, you know that.
Right, they saw.
There's if you know them personality, where them go on with behind the scenes and them shit there. So if you see a man with that the type of personality as all you say a while ago.
Yeah.
Zane, and you still go pick up the man and feel like you can change him. Well, are you for blame my girl?
Me blame me woman them enough time. You know why? You can't know say one man do certain things and you still take up yourself and go lay down with that man. Just like if you know say one girl a dog shit. Zane, and he sleep with Tom, Dick and Harry. You get me? I say, there's a possibility say the woman they can shot you, he can give you herpes, he can give you sitting because he must sleep around with everybody. If you know that and you still go lay down with that woman there and nothing catch you, are you for be blame, you know?
You can't blame you.
So me blame D in this situation where she send the man the nude on one view, but the man skill of because man get the one view and the man take Man, watch you one view and take a next phone and record the one view. Me I show you that say some man a real sissy man. With all of what me see a go on social media, on TikTok and Instagram right now. It's like him and the catty did catch up. And the catty, I say, yo, when you wind up your pussy in your face. So the catty, I say, Jabas, me wind up my pussy in your face, ray. And then the dog, it come in like a this, so it escalate from. The dog start tell her, say, yo, your all stink, and your pussy big.
All right. You see, it's still a mama man thing. If you come on social media, degrade the woman, say all kind of things about the woman. But at the same time, the woman should never even come on social media and tell and say them something about the man. We as man too, you know, we not gonna like face the disrespect. Worse if you're well known. Cause you a man with the on social media big, Zane. So if one woman come out and want disrespect you, now the people them where they on your page and follow you, and will start lose ratings for you.
That's true.
So you are gonna come back now. You're gonna come back and try to defend yourself to make it look like yo, where she say no go so. But while you're doing that, you have to kind of keep it balanced in a sense. No matter with the disgrace thing, bro. You see me? Because then it'll go show who are the most grown or the most mature person.
And that's true. But me just still feel say it's a bitch move for a man. If a woman send you nudes, nothing way that woman ever do, bro, should make you shove out the naked picture there on the road.
Me believe that.
You see me?
Me believe that.
You see, anything where a woman share with you, bro, if a woman send you a naked picture there, she trust you to share that with you. You have to remember saying, bro, a woman power them out, you know, dog.
Stick up in. What if that woman they send that same video go get the Tom and Harry? How you find out?
Bro, that no listen now. If you
I trust Dick Tom and Harry too. No, but that's what I know. If I trust Dick Tom and Harry, because the same video, you don't know, some woman, I say every woman, some woman, we send you the video. You see me? And you feel special and say you're rare. But then when you look, Dick Tom and Harry have the same fucking video.
So what you know?
So how you gonna feel? What you gonna do about that?
What you know?
But just
you say if a woman send you a specific video or picture and you get out, she gonna know say you. Okay. Because guess what? She know in herself say you. She send it on G.
Okay.
You understand what I say?
Zin.
Me did feel a way for D because dog, me see Katy a ball out in here, dog. And I say she can't believe.
I'm not sorry for your ass.
Me sorry for your dog. Cause right now, enough woman a look pan and say them a tap send him man them a one view. Me sorry for him man them when I have no woman and want a one view, bro.
I'm
sorry for them, dog.
For me, them big old cowball in there, you look sympathy, bro.
Big old cowball.
And then have all sad music play in the background. Hey! My girl, you may say, if you have a deal with your problem, you have to deal with it differently. Come with the cowball.
Them have come and say a prank and whatever. Sometimes people are trying to take shame out of their face.
Them say, alright, make we see how we can reverse this thing.
Yes.
So make we go up on social media and say, boy, right. But you already gone out of your bag. The naked picture and the naked video, boy, the pum there everywhere. You see me? But you see, you know, if you lay yourself, if you lay with dog,
you will catch.
You will catch fleas.
Exactly.
So as you say, you have to know who you are there with from beginning.
Yo, me not lie.
So you see me?
Jabas name call upon so much sitting dog. If me have a dog and me see my dog with Jabas, me a beat him blood clot dog. Because guess what? Dog, you man name call upon too much things my youth for my dog go mingle with Jabas dog. No disrespect, but oh my youth, you see anything where you put out the dog that you go get.
Alright, so let me ask you a question. You said them are dead, Zane?
Yeah, man.
Them did.
Because I see all one video where you get say the dog must be dropping cocky down her throat. Or something like that. I'm not sure if I saw it, but something surrounding that.
But you said them did that day. Alright, so after them left, or according to them, then they kind of separate or something. Zane? At one point, say, so the girl did send him a video with a man rub down the leg.
Yes. So,
alright, so one of the reason why I bring that up. You see?
Yeah.
How the fuck you go find man so fast? For man rub down leg for send it go give man. So the man that did their own there.
I want me here.
That way you
I don't me.
Yeah, but I know that's where man did their brother.
I want the media, you know.
Yeah, where man did
that.
that.
Here say, when the naked video, the naked picture, flash out. He look like a girl baby father. I say, yo, what that a go on?
Yeah.
Me say, baby father do a bad to you, dog. D, why you always a pick some little dog shit, man? Me pretty sure say, you see these, man, you must see characteristics in these, man. If you pick up 2 man and the 2 man a dog shit.
You know law of attraction, correct?
And you're right, you know, bro.
You know law of attraction.
Yeah.
So if you a mongrel dog, you think you're going to attract poodle?
Oh, God, man. You can't style her so, bro.
Bro, me never call no name. Me just I said to you, me ask you a question. Me say if you is a mongrel dog, if you think you're going to attract poodle.
Oh, sometimes mongrel attract pedigree.
And
pedigree attract mongrel.
Brother.
Enough time I see crossbreed dog, bro.
Crossbreed? Mm-hmm. Me never see one fucking garline and one pigeon a fly together. Me never see that. Me never see a dog and a fucking horse a run. You understand what me I go with this?
Say,
right. So, in our case, that you attract
Lord
the
God.
energy of the type of person that you are.
And the woman having like a business and thing I go on for me, bro. My girl, you talk to someone who tear you down. You need to go back and reassess.
I want to ask you this. Is it? Because you send the girl go reassess.
Yeah.
And at one point you also say, if you have your daughter or your kids and then go there with Jabas, what you that do?
Kids. Me say me dog.
Your dog, my bad, sorry. Your dog, you'd have beat the dog.
What?
So let me ask you this now. If you have your son, would you want your son to date a woman like Dee?
Me not go lie. Me not see nothing wrong with Dee. Me not see nothing wrong with Dee. She
not physical, I'm talking about her characteristics. And her vulgarity and the way how she is.
Well, to be honest, it's not going to be my choice if you say, yo, son, don't talk to the woman because she acts such and such way. Zane, and you have to understand, say, social media and the real world are 2 different places, you know.
Yeah, but then we feel like you judge Jabas based on social media as well.
No, man, remember say Jabas got jail, you know, dog, fee.
Well,
Jabas got jail for
all right, so those are facts. Those are facts.
Well.
Or allegedly.
Allegedly saying got jail for grape. You get me? I say, so with a track record like that, bro.
Okay, but now since you don't know so much deep about Dee, but the surface level, you say your son could have bring her to you and say, Daddy, I'm a woman, this and I'm my wife.
Yeah.
Or you know more I'm married or
my son could have bring her. My son could have bring her. And we assess the situation. Because I not lie. She's not a bad person, bro.
Bro, me don't know her.
From when me see, she's not a bad person.
But if me look on it, and when me see on social media, I would not want my son to bring a certain, you know what I'm saying? That's just me.
If me have a son, I don't want my son with no little...
Oh yeah, I forgot to say I have daughters.
If me have a son, I don't want my son with no little putus, safi girl. I want my son have a woman who have little zest in her, bro.
Like Pretty Dan?
You're mad? Not Pretty Dan, bro. Pretty Dan, I'm a Dan, you know. Pretty Dan, I'm a Dan, you know. Yo, big up Pretty Dan.
Yeah, but that's a fuck with this.
Pretty Dan, I'm a Dan, bro.
I don't want nobody take me.
Pretty Dan, follow me on TikTok, you know. On Instagram, you know. I know for them pussy, I was going to like say them bigger than everybody else. They not follow you know.
That's true.
Pretty Dan follow me, bro.
Mad.
So big up Pretty Dan, bro.
Yeah, but I fuck with it. But
I'm Pretty Dan a beat Swissley. I'm Pretty Dan a beat Clark Jabas. Pretty Dan I call him man so good.
Yo, we know Pretty Dan mouth already still.
Pretty Dan mouth not clean, bro.
No, dog, that not clean none at all.
Not clean.
But I fuck with it still. But you know, the whole thing with these 2 people. We can't really know them from social media level, but only what them put out. So that we have to use that.
Where them put out, me
exactly. So we have to use that to judge them.
Anything you put out there,
we're gonna be the fucking judge. Exactly. We have to just use that. Because of that, them I tell we.
Right now, Jabas, you fuck up. You shouldn't do what you do. I don't know if you understand. Say, woman, them power in her them mouth. And that's them strength there. You have an idea a woman is a woman. And if you have a daughter, you have to understand. So when a woman do certain things, bro, then do it out of like emotion. So a man have to understand, say, bro, when a woman says certain things and a woman just want you to feel, a woman just try to belittle you as a man. You see what I say?
But I don't respect that
And
either.
sometimes as a man you have to understand that.
Because word can tear down wicked, you know.
Yeah, bro.
Word can mash up a man's ego to the fucking ground, you know.
Yeah, dog, but you know, you have to understand to that.
No, what I say is that you say what you say about Jabas, but you also have to tell a woman, say, them words, dog.
Yes.
We understand, say, woman have them mouth.
Yes.
But at the same time, dog, remember when you say it, you know, you can't take back that, you know.
And that's true.
You see me? And worse, if you respect the person and then you say sitting bad about the person, where even if you never mean it, that fuck up the man ego wicked, you know that.
That's true.
The world know, so you sit down in the man's face and rub the front in the man's mouth.
And the woman was saying, tacky little, some sitting like that.
You understand? So, no, you see, alright, prime example. Just like how Swiss come and wind up in a fucking crop top, bro. Me would have never looked on that the man there as the same.
Yeah,
if me see him anywhere again, me I go say, yo, I man that we are wind up in a crop top.
Tell no lie.
You understand me I say?
Idea when we do start the social media, me used to catch one little week on me head. Me never tell no lie.
Me done. Yo, people.
You see me? At that time, you know, we did younger and we did a try to get out there. But dog, as me say, women are going to say things to hurt your ego. And you see, Jabas, you're a man. And with all the way people say about you out there, dog, you should have never do what you do. You see me?
Yo, big up yourself, my G.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
I feel like if you talk about social media a lot more, because them out there, you know, and them are give you things to talk, you know.
And that people don't understand. Once your business come out, we're going to talk about that. Because if you don't want your business to talk about, keep it to yourself.
To success. Isn't it?
To success, dog.
Big up everybody, guys. Please share, like, and comment.
Just hit that subscribe button. Then,
Yeah, man.
big up on yourself.